This is a playground. The yellow excavator Scoop came here to play. He has a big scoop in the front and wheels on each side. It has a small scoop on a long boom in the rear. Excavator is sliding down the slide. I wonder where he is going now. He was looking for a sand pit. But the sides of the sand pit are very high. Scoop can't climb it by himself. The excavator will get help from his friend Lofty. Lofty is a crane. He has a long boom with a hook. It can raise and lower even some heavy objects. Carefully, Lofty, do not fall down from the slide. Raise Scoop to the edge of the sand pit. You did it! Thank you. Now Scoop can play with the sand. This is the bulldozer Mac. He has a large body and a scoop in the front. Mac can raise and lower his scoop. And the body too. The bulldozer decided to go on the swings. And now he came to the sand pit. Let's see how much sand can fit in his body. This much. So much sand is enough to fill the moon. This is the road roller Rolly. He has a heavy cylinder in the front. It helps to level and compact the earth, sand, or asphalt. Rolly decided to swing on the swings. He also came to the sand pit. Look, he is going to level this pile of sand. The cars decided to have a ride on the roundabout together. They have a lot of fun playing together at the playground.